I'm Valya, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you this look I'm wearing now, which is a very nice classic look. This is my classic Holy Grail makeup tutorial that I'm doing very often. It's one of my favorites. It has only purple, mauve, shimmery, yellows and brown undertone colors and two very nice purple lipstick, and it is suitable for every person and every time of the year. You can wear it during all your days. So let's jump into this video to show you how I created that look. I have done my brows off camera as usual with my Wet n Wild retractable brown pencil. Then I set up my lid with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 20 concealer, and then I set up with my Sabrina Rudnik press powder, and now I'm ready to move on to my shadows. Today I'm gonna use my Revolution Reloaded Velvet Rose palette. This is one of my favorite classic palettes that I use very often, and today I will show you my classic Holy Grail makeup tutorial. So I'm ready to take this brush and taking this shimmery dark brown to purple to apply on my outer corner. Apply a few of this shadow because it's very dark on my outer corner. And taking this brush to blend upward all this shadow, and taking to blend the shadow a few of that color which is a transition light brown color to blend the dark outsider shadow. I'm doing the same to my other eye. Apply the shimmery dark brown on my outer edge, and taking the two others, this color and this above, to blend the dark shadow. This is one of my classic palettes that I use very often to do many looks. And upwards under my brow bone. And then I'm taking in the middle with this brush this shadow with a shimmery purple shadow to apply it in the middle of my lid to connect the shadows together. This is one technique that I'm showing you for the first time. I haven't shown it before. So watch out to learn how I do my eyes. And on the other eye, I'm applying in the middle this an undertone lighter than the other shadow in the same tone, an undertone lighter. And on my inner corner, I will apply with my Avon flat brush this shimmery yellow on the edge. I'll apply it on my inner corner. Very nice colors. Then I will take my eyebrow 103 and my Face Studio Chrome Metallic Highlighter by Maybelline in the shade Molten Gold 100. This is one of my favorite highlighters, to apply it underneath my brow bone before I continue with my eyes. One of my very lovely highlighters in earthy undertones, of course. Just a few coffee, because I like drinking coffee while I'm working. Today, here in Greece, we don't have so much sun. Maybe we have 35 degrees. It's a good day, not very warm, not very cold. What else? What else? I'm going to take my Adam Precision Black Eyeliner because a good, amazing, flawless look needs always eyeliner and a very nice false lash. I'm applying my black eyeliner for today. I'm cleaning a few my under eye area from the shadows. I'm ready to move on to wear my lash. For today I will be using my Too Strong lashes. And now I'm ready to move on to prep the rest of my face. For today I'm gonna be using my Face Studio Prime Protecting Primer with SPF 30 by Maybelline, a very hydrating primer. Very nice, especially now that our face is not very good hydrating because we have so much sun. Our skin needs more hydration, especially now in the summer. This is a very hydrating product, I have to say, and one of my favorites, of course. And I'm going to move on to apply my Mia Forever Lasting Performance 24 Fluid Foundation and my Shine Liquid Foundation 040. Let's see, yes. I'm gonna mix two foundations together. As always, one light and one dark. Always I'm doing this. Taking my eyebrow 07 Steel Kabuki brush to apply the product on all my face. When you apply foundation, you have to cover all of your face down on your neck and on your ears, of course, to cover all the area. And on my ears, of course, to have the same color with my face. Of course, this is the right way. And down on my neck. Taking the other mirror with the heart, very nice mirror, and this. I'm gonna apply all the product on all the face, on ears, down to the neck. Of course, I like to be continued to apply the product with a beauty blender to apply it more better. I always start with my Kabuki brush and continue to apply the foundation with my beauty blender. This is the right way to have the better result and complete result. Taking the product, the red product that I have on the back of my hand to apply it on all the face, down on the neck. And now I'm going to continue with my True Skin Catrice High Cover Concealer with Hyaluronic Acid in the shade 032 Neutral Biscuit. Very nice concealer. I believe that we have to apply matte product to have a better flawless result. I'm applying very matte product underneath my eyes, near to my nose, on the bridge of my nose, near to my mouth, a little on my chin. I'm applying a few product, matte product, I have to say, and taking for the first my little small beauty blender, and I'm applying all the product. And now I'm ready to take my Oriflame Beauty pressed powder to apply it underneath my eyes to set up my eye area. Then I will apply my Curly Matte powder to set up the whole of my face and my eyebrow level. Continuing with my bronze, pressed pigmented bronzing and my eyebrow 11 blush. I'm applying on my cheekbone, on my forehead, and on my jawline. Taking a few of my eyebrow translucent powder, and I'm gonna apply underneath my eye, near to my nose, and under my bronzer for a few minutes to clean my area. I will continue with my under eye area to apply the other shadows. With my eyebrow 03, I'm taking the same shadows, the darker, and with this tiniest flat 02, I'm taking the yellow, and of course with my eyebrow 103 and my Face Studio highlighter chrome, I'm applying a few on my inner corner, a few highlighters, the same. And now I'm going to take my blush, my blusher powder to clean the area. Of course I will take my black liner, where is this? My black liner to line my waterline. Then I'm gonna take my Canon Color Max and I will take this coral blush and my eyebrow 11 to apply it on all over my cheeks and on my nose. And of course taking my 103 eyebrow and my highlighter, Master Chrome, to apply it on my cheekbones, a few on my nose, on my cupid bow, and on my temples. Don't forget to apply my Sky High Maybelline mascara, and continue with my lip liner by Wet n Wild in the shade Willow. And now I will take my Berry Passion, this purple, dark purple color, and above that I will apply my 15 Nude Mauve. This is some tones, undertone lighter color. These two are by Bare Minerals lipstick. And of course, at the end, I have to set up my whole makeup with my Fiore Vita Makeup Fixing Spray. So this makeup will last during all the day. So my friends, this is my complete finished look. I hope you like that video, you like my makeup, you like the work I'm doing. I really appreciate when you watch my videos, when you come on my channel, and I love you, and I'm expecting you to see the next video I'm gonna upload. Love you!